Now, let's see what's inside. We have here 1 piece of the new and improved Copper Mask antimicrobial film layer, 10 pieces non-woven fabric filters, 2 pieces elastic bands, and also our new addition, 2 pieces seal stickers and 8 pieces Copper Mask colored logo stickers. Now, let's assemble it. For our new and improved Copper Mask, we will show you how to put the stickers first. Fold the Copper Mask in half. Make sure it's aligned. Then put the seal sticker on the upper part and also on the bottom part. Next, put the Copper Mask logo stickers on both the upper left and upper right side of the mask. After that, you can now place a piece of non-woven fabric filter inside the Copper Mask antimicrobial film. Finally, put the elastic string on both sides and adjust it depending on your preference. Now, let's go to the most exciting part. Let's design our Copper Mask with our colored logos. We will give you some ideas on how you can put these colorful stickers. We called it the classic styles. If you don't have the spare time to think of and assemble your Copper Mask design, no worries. You can still use your Copper Mask just like before. We call this one the original. Second, the army style. With this design, you can show your game face on even with a mask. You can simply place 2 different colors in both the upper left and upper right of the mask depending on your liking. The third one is what we called Wildcats. Unleashed your inner beast. Design your mask by putting all the available colored logos on both sides of the mask. And lastly, create your own style. Express yourself, style your Copper Mask with any design that comes up to your mind, and show us your creativity. And it's done! You can now finally use the newest version of Copper Mask. Experience not only its antimicrobial properties, but also its unique and stylish physical appearance. So hurry! Don't miss a chance to get your own Copper Mask 2.0. Place your orders now at www.coppermask.ph/